Hi, I'm Slava, and you're watching Russ Cam.
Hi, this is Russ Festino with another episode of Russ Cam. This one here from Boston, Massachusetts. We are at the Boston Code Camp. Actually, it's in Waltham, Mass. Here at the Microsoft office. It actually feels like a little bit of a homecoming here. I used to work here for about a half a dozen years, the first half of my Microsoft career. And in fact, look here, we still got this picture right here on the wall in the kitchen. It still lives. I can't believe this thing is still here. That was from my send-off that I had before I moved to Florida. So anyway, we got a lot of great interviews here. It's a great day. There's an incredible buzz here, a lot of good topics, a lot of good presenters.
I'm here at Code Camp in Boston, where it all began. Code Camps were started here many years ago, and this is Code Camp 16 for us.
Yeah.
And it's been a good turnout. We got a big snowstorm coming in. We got a lot of great speakers like yourself, and we got a lot of wide range of topics. It's really been a good event so far, and the pizza's almost here. And we've got a lot of great sponsors, like contributors like GrapeCity.
Oh yeah, we're happy to be a sponsor. Are you kidding me? This is an awesome event you guys pulled together. You were just telling me a little bit ago you actually are a user of one of our components.
Oh yeah. We just bought a couple of months ago the active analysis components, for analysis services to support in web browsing of the cubes.
Yeah,
that was pretty cool. Yeah, we like that.
So you have analysis services, and then you're running that on top of it. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah. Well, yeah, we had a analytical appliance that we were building, and we basically bought the tool to see how it fit good to our needs for serving the cube data to the end users on the web portal. So that was the man.
I don't know about you, but the first time I used that, man, just drag and drop it on there, and you got yourself pretty much an instant BI dashboard. You know,
you don't have to be like expert on that things. It's just get the data and just pivot it. Drag and drop. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, that's good. We got an incredible event going on here today. What is your thoughts? What do you think it's going so far?
Oh, it's great. So Code Camps, folks that don't know, they started right here in the Waltham office. I think it was 2004, the first one. And,
first one.
One of our colleagues at the time, Tom Robbins, kicked them off. And just a chance for the community to get together and share, their passions. Here's the cool things we've been working on, and I want to talk about it. And so it's all just, total about technology, and the marketing is left at the door, and just total community stuff. And this is the 16th one that we're doing, which is amazing to think about how quickly they've gone.
We've had a pretty diverse set of topics and enough multiple topics in certain areas that we could run some mini tracks.
Yeah.
Some really good speakers to fill the sessions, and a good crowd to make it worthwhile for the speakers to come out. So I think overall it'll be a really good day for everybody.
How many people ended up registering for this?
We ended up with, I think, 380 people registering.
First thing I saw you this morning, I told you I work for GrapeCity, and then right away you started telling me about how you've been using Active Reports.
Of all the report writers I've used, it's my favorite one, and whenever I get a chance to make a decision about what report writer to use with a client, I always recommend Active Reports. I've never got a commission, but I've ended up selling a lot of them because my clients, I recommended them and they bought them. And
well, thank you very much for that.
Well, it recently got bought by GrapeCity, I noticed, and the other thing I'd say, this service is really great. Whenever I call with a problem, sometimes people answer the phone right away and answer my question.
Oh, that's good.
Some more research and they'll get back to me.
That's cool. So what in particular, if there's any one thing that really stands out in your mind about Active Reports that you really liked?
What I like about it is it integrates well with Visual Studio, and you can use your knowledge of C# or VB, and that's where most of the code is. Some of the others are that makes it a shorter learning curve to learn it.
Yeah, so all the event handlers and things like that you can write in Managed Code.
Exactly.
Thank you for being such a great community supporter over the years.
Well, I want to just say, Russ, it's been great to know you, and you got me started with .NET. We did the Take Us Where We Can's the website.
That's right.
That's how I got started with learning .NET. So
wow, that's right. That's right. Oh my God.
I've been coming to some of these meetings, and I got introduced to Spread.
This episode of RussCam is brought to you by Spread from GrapeCity PowerTools.
So Carl, Yeah, Richard.
You ever embed Excel into an application?
You know, that's right up there with sticking ice picks in my ears.
Nice.
Because your end users have to have the right version of Office and all of that stuff,
Yeah.
and it has that extra layer of dependency. What I want is just a way to take all that Excel goodness and plop it right into my .NET application.
Well, you reminded me of Farpoint Spread from the old days.
20 years ago,
Yeah,
I
no
used
kidding.
Farpoint Spread. But now, of course, it's GrapeCity PowerTools Spread, spread.net from GrapeCity PowerTools.
Smarter components for smarter developers.
Go to gvtv.gcpowertools.com, your online source for developer news. Plus, follow us on Twitter and Facebook.
Been coming to some of these meetings, and I got introduced to Spread.
Well, you did. Yeah, you were telling me you use Spread. What kind of application is it?
It's a tool for a manufacturing company, and what it does is it'll create a bill of materials that the manufacturer can use to create his products.
Pub Naples.
Yep, that's where we pub club around here.
So what do you think of the session tonight?
It was wonderful. We had a very engaged group. They were very interested and gave away a lot of cookbooks and t-shirts. And that was wonderful. And your next contest.
The next contest is right. We talked about that. So this is a great idea. I think we'll make it official right now with this RussCam. What we're going to do is get a theme that is a Metro-style theme for active reports. It's all just XAML based, and I think whoever comes up with one of those, we'll put it up on Codeplex. We will give them a license to Active Reports Professional Edition.
RussCam!
All right.